Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the JBL Live 770 NC, which stands for noise cancelling headphones. So these are over-the-ear wireless headphones. In a typical JBL box, you have a ton of features listed throughout the side and the back, explaining all the glorious details that come with it. But are they glorious headphones? Well, we'll find out in the review. A link to the review will be in the video description. So continue with the unboxing. I'm kind of struggling here, and it looks like they have the quick start guide as the first thing you see. So we'll just kind of skip on through that a little bit quickly. There's not much to see. I mean, it's headphones, right? So here's the safety and warranty information. Kind of just put that to the side because we want to get to the main meat and potatoes, which is the headphones themselves, right? So let's dive more into that. Okay, nothing else in the box. I always like to make sure I didn't miss anything. And interesting enough, this seems to be the traveling pouch. So no hard case, okay? This is a soft traveling pouch, next to no protection. But here are the headphones themselves. Okay, so feel fine, feel all right in the hand from first impression, of course. Not much to really talk about just yet. Again, information will be in the review. It's typical JBL design with a lot of the buttons kind of mixed together, jumbled together, which I'm not a fan of. But again, I don't want to prejudge too quickly and be biased. I like to make my reviews very unbiased. I'll use it on a daily basis and let you know what I think about the controls. And of course, here's the auxiliary cable and USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And here's some fabric material on the top, which I noticed is also present on the JBL Live 670 noise cancelling headphones, which I have reviewed. I'll put a link to that review in the video description as well. There's a catch to this fabric material. It feels nice on the hand. You won't really feel it in your head though. But I don't want to tell you why I'm kind of apprehensive about this material being here until I review it, and I'll explain in that video why, if applicable. So that's pretty much it. So be sure to check out the review. The link will be in the video description, as well as my social media links and website link, also in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.